Introducing Leader's NDI Checker. Maintaining complete visibility across your entire NDI network with Leader's live monitoring solution optimized for broadcast and Pro AV environments. NDI Checker SDK version 6.3.0.3 support with Discovery Server integration. NDI Checker now runs on NDI's advanced SDK version 6.3.0.3, which means it shows up properly as a receiver when you're working in a Discovery Server environment. This is particularly useful for larger facilities where you need centralized visibility of all your NDI devices and receivers across the network. Your Discovery Server will now recognize NDI Checker as part of your monitoring infrastructure, giving you better oversight of what's connected and where. So, if you want to see what NDI Checker can do for your workflows and whether it's the right fit, download the trial version of the NDI Checker software and try it for yourself using the QR code displayed on the screen.